In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all of the Steelseries Arctis 7 models and how to properly connect them to an iPhone. Now, regardless of the model that you have, the 7, 7 Plus, or even the 7X or 7P, what you will notice is that you are not able to connect the SteelSeries Arctis 7 to any devices using Bluetooth. This specific model of headset from SteelSeries does not feature Bluetooth. So as it stands today, for you to connect it to an iPhone, you will have to do it through a wired connection. You can try using a wireless transmitter if you have one of those, or a specific USB-C wireless dongle, but most users report that they cannot finish this connection if they use the provided transmitters or dongles. So as it stands today, the only confirmed way in which you will be able to connect it to an iPhone is going to be through a wired connection. And assuming that your iPhone lacks the 3.5mm audio port, then you will have to use an adapter. So you will have to purchase a suitable adapter to connect the SteelSeries Arctis 7 to your phone. Usually this will be a Lightning to 3.5mm audio jack adapter like this one, but you can purchase whichever one is made for your specific model. So all that you have to do is plug it into your iPhone with this provided cable. Once you ensure that the connection was properly established by using the necessary adapter, you will be able to use the headset flawlessly. So the microphone is going to be working and you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output through your phone on the headset. You will be able to use it as long as it remains connected, and you won't have to charge it because it is going to be a wired connection. If it doesn't work right away, then I recommend checking the connection, make sure that it was properly connected, and if you are sure that the adapter that you are using should work, but you still cannot hear any audio through your specific Arctis 7 headset, then sadly, it could mean that your model is simply incapable of being used on mobile devices. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to connect SteelSeries Arctis 7 to iPhone, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.